Hey guys, I'm Cecilia, and I'm going to be taking over Fernando's channel from now on. Anywho, he will be showing you his plush collection and a few other cool stuff. And I'm getting my Easter spirit on. Anywho, he'll start now.
I'm juggling Angry Birds. Okay. Starting, red a bird or red from the Angry Bird National Geographic book. Next, blue or the Blues or Jim, Jay, and Jake. Next, bomb or Bombird or Blackbird. Next, white bird or Matilda or Egg Bombird. I'm gonna go. Next is green bird or Hal. He could open his beak. He please. Next is Terrence. He has sound. He's Red's big brother. That guy. Next is orange bird or Bubbles. He also has sound. Next is pink bird or Stella. Also has sound. Next, made these myself. Eggs
From this bird.
Four. Yeah, so this guy could drop him. Next, the pigs. Minion pig or basic pig. Next is helmet pig. He's all beat up. Sound. Next is mustache pig. Also has sound. Next is king pig. The leader, the big fatty. Had sound. Lost it. Next is space. Super red bird. Cool mask. Next, lightning bird. Yeah, I got the flash. Next is laser bird. Has sound. Only one of space that I have. Next, fire bomb bird. Next is the monster bird. He is pretty cool, but he's 5-inch, not 8-inch, like Terrence. Next is ice bird. He's the new guy, the new bird, the cool guy. Okay, so next, moving on to Rio. First up, Pedro has sound. Only one of these doesn't have sound. Next is blue. Also has sound. Next is Jewel. Also has sound. Next is Nico. Super soft. Also has sound. Next is Nigel. Only one that doesn't have sound. Next, I have two of these guys. Got them both for my birthday. Super soft sound. There's 3 different sounds. Next, 2 very rare ones. The caged birds. I got these at Toys R Us. I was so excited when I saw them.
This one's my favorite because it's pink.
They have sound. Next, moving on to seasons. I only have 5 of these. My little sister has the one that I'm missing. So first up, winter red. I only have a few. Winter red just has a hat and scarf. Winter chuck, hat and scarf. Winter blue, hat. Winter bomb, hat. Winter Matilda, hat and scarf. Really soft. I got those all for Christmas. Next, Star Wars. Wait, first I have this little thing. Got it at the swap meet. Next, Star Wars. Luke Skywalker. Awesome. I made a review. Well, not really a review. I just made a video.
But haven't uploaded it.
I actually have uploaded it.
Oops.
Next, Han Solo bird. Yellow bird. He has a gun. Next, Princess Leia bird. Han Solo's girlfriend.
I love her. She's pink. Okay then.
Next is Stormtrooper Pig. He farted. Not me. Next is Darth Vader Pig. Looks kind of black.
He's really black.
Join the dark side.
Oh my god.
Join the dark side.
Next, Chewbacca. This guy is 8-inch. He's super awesome. You can fluff up its fur.
Is that all?
So, get in there. Okay, now the final one is super awesome.
It is really awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got my Easter egg.
The Mighty Eagle. He is awesome. He has a soft belly, the bottom. I once spilled milk on him right here, but it's all new now.
How much was that?
It was like $100. It's super awesome.
Okay, now he'll be showing you his cool, awesome stuff, and he has much more plush toys, except that they're all like thrown everywhere. So his stuff,
But they're not Angry Birds.
yeah. So the first he will be showing you.
This is the Angry Birds Playground book. The only book I need. Angry Birds Space. You're blocking that.
Oh, sorry.
This I got at Sam's Club, $10. Really cool. Next, the Angry Birds National Geographic book. Oh, this is the space one I'm missing. I might get it for my next school book fair. And also, I'm going to show you these exclusive Angry Birds Star Wars figures. Not the only ones I got, just wanted to show you.
Oh, those are mine. Look, here, Natalie.
Sorry, that was a mix-up. We have some Angry Bird keychains. My sister gave me them today. So Lightning Bird, space. Super Red Bird, space. Ice Bird, space. They're really cool. Regular bomb. Sorry, regular bomb. Firebomb Bird, space.
Just put those in another pile.
I probably got the red. Those are mine. That's mine. These are my sister's. She has a laser bird. Only one I don't have. Here. That's mine.
No, that's yours. And next, he'll be showing you his eggs.
Didn't I ever show you?
No, the eggs. Those eggs.
Oh, sorry. The Angry Bird Easter eggs. Opened up a few of these. Found a golden egg already. Don't know where it is.
Oh, it's over here in the huge pile.
She's digging up it.
Oh, I found
Filled
it.
it up with candies. Oh, and here's the little sticker. They're really small. It says, "You found it." It's backwards. So on the back it has a painted Terrence.
Because it says find the golden egg.
We got these at Smart and Final for like $6. So
Is that all?
no, let's turn over to here.
I'm the cameraman.
Oh, his Angry Bird calendar.
That I got also at a book fair. So
His Angry Bird stickers. Room stickers.
I got this really cool lightsaber, double blade, Darth Maul at Toys R Us, $25. Take out one blade or two. Also got one for my sister. That was kind of awesome. That's kind of it.
And he also got some Angry Bird gummy things. Yeah, they're really cool. And she just took out a keychain. That's how they look like. They're kind of squishy. So hope you guys enjoyed his video. He wants to show you one more thing.
This game is really awesome. Sonic Colors DS. It has a lot of missions with a bunch of different characters, and I'm gonna do a video up next. I'm on the final boss, so I'll show that later. So goodbye.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We got our Easter spirit on. So make sure to subscribe me on my channel, which is Cecilia Flores or Nerdy Buddy 1. Twins. Whoa. her too, but oh yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and he says super sorry because he hasn't uploaded any videos in 1 month. So goodbye.